In the heart of the tropical rainforest, where ancient trees rise toward the sky, and sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor. This is a world shaped by rain, heat, and time. A place where life has adapted in extraordinary ways. From the shadows, powerful predators move in silence, their presence felt long before they are seen. High above, in the canopy, bright feathers flash through the leaves, and the forest fills with calls that echo for miles. On the ground below, tiny creatures work endlessly, recycling life, building the future of the forest. Every animal has a role. Every sound has meaning. Every moment is a fight to survive. But this fragile world is changing. Forests are disappearing, habitats are breaking apart, and the balance of nature is under threat. Yet there is still hope. Because protecting the rainforest means protecting life itself. Coming soon, life in the tropical rainforest, where nature speaks and the world listens.